Today, we go inside a Coca-Cola factory. Ever wondered how a guarded syrup turns into millions of fizzy bottles? Behind every bottle are people and robots working together. Syrup, water, and CO2 repeat millions of times, and pressure, temperature, and timing are three variables that make your Coke perfect. In this video, we're going to break down this science. Welcome to the Coca-Cola factory, where you see the bustle of delivery trucks, where shipments become soda ready. Behind these walls, raw ingredients become the Coke you see on the shelf. Raw materials arrive here: sugar, sweeteners, packaging, and the secret concentrate. Every inbound truck is inspected for weight, paperwork, and a quick quality check. Samples are pulled and sent to the on-site lab for rapid tests, purity, moisture, and certificate of analysis checks. Every pallet is barcode tagged for full traceability. Approved loads move into climate-controlled storage, while any anomalies are quarantined, documented, and retested before they're cleared for production. Materials then move to controlled storage. Packaging is inventoried with barcode scans, so nothing goes missing. Syrup and concentrates are kept in temperature-stable tanks. Sugar isn't used straight from the bag. It's dissolved, filtered, and tested. Filtration removes impurities and ensures consistent sweetness. The solution passes through fine filters to catch undissolved particles, then into holding tanks where concentration is measured and adjusted. Samples are checked for clarity and taste before release, guaranteeing every batch delivers the same clean, balanced sweetness throughout production. Water is the base of Coke, about 90% of the drink. It goes through multi-stage treatment, filtration, nanofiltration, and sanitization, so every batch tastes the same. The secret concentrate arrives as syrup in jugs or tanker trucks. It's handled under strict controls, then brought to the mixing station to be diluted. In the blending room, syrup, treated water, and the correct sweetener are combined in precise ratios. Automated batch tanks keep temperature and concentration with exact small variances change flavor. We meter syrup, ultra-pure water, and sweetener into temperature-controlled tanks. Powerful mixers stir everything until it's fully blended. Sensors keep checking sweetness, Brix, and acidity, pH. If a reading is off, valves adjust the mix automatically. When the blend matches the recipe, the batch is logged and sent for quality checkup. Syrup arrives at the lab for a quality checkup, is sampled, assayed, and held under quarantine until digital sign-off. Then it moves to the mixers. Carbonation is a science. CO2 tanks are stored and piped to chillers and carbonators. The mix is chilled and then injected with CO2 under pressure to lock in that signature fizz. Watch the bubbles form. Chilled syrup meets CO2 and microscopic gas pockets lock into the liquid, waiting to sing when you open it. Precision controls, temperature and pressure, make sure the gas dissolves evenly. Too warm or too much CO2 creates foam. Too cold or too little gives a flat drink. Inline sensors and quick lab checks confirm dissolved CO2 levels before the carbonated blend is cleared for the filling line. Before any liquid touches them, bottles are washed and inspected. Machines rinse, blow dry, and scan for cracks so contamination risks are minimized. Once cleaned, bottles glide on sterile conveyors to the filler. Vision systems scan for residue, deformities, or improper seals. Any faulty bottle is automatically ejected. Regular clean-in-place cycles and spot swab tests by staff keep the line sanitary, ensuring every container is truly ready before filling begins. Filling is super fast and precise. The carbonated blend is fed to the fillers in a temperature-controlled stream. Fill heads add the exact volume to prevent foam and spillage. A steady stream of caps, a precise twist, and every bottle is hermetically sealed. No gas escapes, no fizz lost. Before packaging, bottles are labeled. High-speed label applicator applies wraps, then vision systems verify placement and print dates. Cans travel a similar path: cleaned, filled, seamed, and then decorated with printed sleeves or direct print. Inspection cameras check seam integrity. After filling and capping, each bottle passes a final inspection where cameras check fill level, cap seal, and label placement. Approved bottles are aligned on conveyors and gently grouped together, ready for packaging. From here, the line transitions into case forming and shrink wrapping to prepare the bottles for safe transport. Bottles are grouped into trays or cases. Wraparound machines heat the plastic to shrink wrapping on bottles. This step provides extra protection for transport. Cans are collected into multi-packs or trays, and then wraparound machines heat the plastic to shrink wrapping on cans. Robotic arms often handle the fastest lines to keep the speed high. Then, robots take over to arrange. These machines carefully stack the cases on pallets, maximizing available space and guaranteeing safety. In order to maximize stability and guarantee that every pallet is precisely balanced and prepared for transportation, the robotic pallet organizers operate effectively. After stacking, pallets are stretch wrapped and labeled with batch numbers and barcodes for traceability. Automated pick-and-place robots move pallets to staging lanes, and forklifts load them onto trucks, where final weight and balance checks are performed. Once cleared, the trucks are dispatched to distribution hubs. Each truck is scanned into the logistics system for route planning and real-time tracking. Temperature or humidity sensors, when required, are monitored during transit, and inventory updates sync with distribution centers and retailers. This tight tracking helps ensure timely deliveries, stock accuracy, and rapid response if any batch needs to be recalled. Now the Coca-Cola pallets are going for regional distribution centers or directly to retailers. Logistics ensures Coke reaches stores quickly and stays fresh. And that's the journey. A guarded concentrate, ultra-clean water, exact blending, rapid carbonation, strict quality control, and efficient packaging, all to deliver that first refreshing sip. If you liked this factory behind the scenes work, then hit that like button and subscribe for more interesting factory documentaries.